Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a JavaScript code that plays a crucial role in enhancing the user experience. So this code is all about validation guidance and making sure users have a smooth journey. The onLoadFocus function sets the focus to the input field with the ID input first name when the page loads. This code line ensures that when the page loads, the cursor is automatically placed in the first name input field, a simple yet effective feature that improves user experience. Now let's talk about input validation. The code includes functions like validateName and validateNumber. These functions use regular expressions to check if the input meets specific criteria. The validateName function takes a string as input and checks if it contains only alphabetic characters, A, Z. If the string is valid, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. The validateNumber function takes a string as input and checks if it contains only numeric characters, 0, 9. It also checks if the string has exactly 11 characters. If the string is valid, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. But it doesn't stop there. The validateUsername function takes a string as input and checks if it contains at least one alphabetic character Arizona and at least one numeric character 0, 9. It can also contain other characters. If the string is valid, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. The validateEmail function takes a string as input and checks if it follows a valid email format. It should contain an alphanumeric username and a T symbol, a domain name, in a top-level domain, for example, .com, .net, .org. Otherwise, it returns false. Moving on, our code provides a user-friendly journey through the form. After entering their first name, the code directs users to the last name field. It also guides users from last name to email, and so on. Let's talk about immediate user feedback. One of the key features of this code is immediate feedback. If a user enters incorrect information, the code not only highlights the issue, but also provides a clear error message, password confirmation. To ensure that users don't mistakenly enter incorrect passwords, the code features the compare password function. It compares the password and confirm password fields, alerting users if they don't match the input field. Functions get first name, get last name, get email, get mobile, no, get username, get password. Each handle the user input from the corresponding input field. They perform the following tasks. 1. Get the input value from the corresponding input field. 2. Validate the input value using the appropriate validation function. 3. If the input is valid, move the focus to the next input field and change the border color to green. If the input is invalid, change the border color to red and display an error message. In conclusion, this JavaScript code is a powerful tool for web developers, ensuring that users' inputs meet specific criteria, guiding them through the form, and providing instant feedback. It's all about creating a seamless, user-friendly experience. So let's talk about this JavaScript code is useful in various online forms, including registration and surveys, and is valuable for websites valuing data accuracy and user satisfaction. If you found this video informative, you can subscribe and share it with YouTube channel. Thank you.